Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do anonymous questions on Instagram. This is becoming quite popular and you might not exactly know how to do it. So let's just get straight into it. You're going to need an app, a third-party app to make this work. So go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then in the search bar you want to search for NGL. It says Anonymous Q&A. That's the one you want to download. So this is the app. I already have it installed. So what I'm going to do is just open it up. And here you need to click on the Get Questions button in white there. So what you need to do now is just put in your Instagram handle. So I'll do that. So my Instagram handle is just use4videos. Once you've confirmed that that's the correct handle, just click on done and it will take you through the process of how you can set up your anonymous questions. So it says, so here's the actual link that you're going to be able to copy into your Instagram story. So how it works is you upload a story with a link to this link right here, and that's the anonymous question, and then people can submit their answers anonymously. So I'm just going to copy that link to my clipboard just for the moment, and then it says here share link on your Instagram story. So I'm going to click on share. It says how to add the link to your story. It just shows you how to add it. I already know how to do it, so I'll go next. There you click on link, then you add the link. I'll go next, and then you place the link. So I'm going to share on Instagram. It's going to automatically create a story for me if you are logged into your correct Instagram account. So here's the story that you're going to be posting. It says send me anonymous questions. This is the NGL link right here. So what I need to do is paste it in there, but it looks like it's already pasted the link in there for me. But if it hasn't, you can come to the stickers icon right there, tap on the stickers icon, and then you will just add this link right over there. And I'll close out of that because it looks like it's already done it for me. So what I'll do now is I'll just go next, and then I'll share this to my story real quick. So that has now been shared to my story, and it just tells me about stories archives. So if I click on this link, and let me go to a profile and see if I can do this anonymously. So I'm going to log out of this account right now. I'm going to switch to another account, and I'm going to go to that account story. So I'm going to go to just use4videos. There's the story right there. So if I click on that link, I need to click on the story actually. So if okay, so you can see there it didn't actually include the link, so you have to do it manually. So I'm going to have to go back now, so apologies for that. So if I go back to that account, so you might run into that exact same mistake, so it's probably good that I made that mistake. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this story, and then I'm going to go back to the Not Gonna Lie app. Here it is, and I'll just copy that link again, then I'll click on share. And you have to do the step that it shows you, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to tap on the stickers icon there at the top. Then I'm going to tap on the link sticker. Then I'm going to paste in the link that I just copied to my clipboard. And then I'm going to click on done. And then I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to resize it so it fits. Now that is actually being put on there. So now I can share this to my story, and we can try that one more time. So that's been shared. Okay, so now I'm back on the other account and I can view the story again, and then I click on the link. It says visit the link, so I click on visit, and it should take me where I can answer this question anonymously. So it says just use4video, send me anonymous messages. So you would just type your message in here. What is the time? And this is, and it says there it's 100% anonymous, and you would just send that, and then that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.